If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in PUBG, follow these steps to quickly resolve it. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the timeouts. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on PUBG in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block PUBG from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add PUBG as an exception or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the server timeout issue in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.